Hey Surf Office fans! Organizing an office Olympic Games is a great way to bring together team building, friendly competition, and good old-fashioned fun, all in one afternoon. As an organizer, you can focus on building new connections in the workplace or simply allowing your team to have a break from their routine and get to unwind a little bit. In this video, I will be sharing with you 5 ideas on how to bring the Olympics to your workplace. So let's get into it. The first game I have for you is the rolling chair race, and it's a great way to get creative and get everyone moving around the office. To play, use different rooms, furniture, and anything else you can think of to create an obstacle course that can be completed in an office chair. You'll want to make sure that there's enough space for the chair to roll around easily. Then, time each player as they complete the obstacle course. The player who completes the course the fastest takes home the gold. Next up, we've got rubber band archery. Archery is a classic game that can also be a little bit dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Luckily, there's a way to play safely, office style, that only requires a rubber band. So, here's how you play. Instead of a bow and arrow, players will use their fingers to pull back on their rubber bands and shoot at a target. Tiny balls of paper work great in place of arrows. Before you start, you'll want to mark out a place on the floor so that everyone is shooting from the same location. The player who gets closest to the target or hits the target the most is the winner. Our third game is called Coffee Run. Now, for this game, it's ideal to play outside or inside on a surface that can be easily cleaned. To start, split into 2 even teams. Each team will have to race against each other, relay style. Players will have to run with a full cup of coffee, tagging in their teammates until each player has had a chance to reach the finish line. It's the perfect combination of physical exercise and coordination. But just make sure the coffee isn't too hot. We don't want any players getting burnt. Our next game is a tribute to one of the oldest Olympic sports introduced in ancient Greece. Throwing the discus, or in this case, Frisbee. Frisbee is a great game that can be enjoyed both outside and inside the office. So if you have a chance to take advantage of a sunny day, we highly recommend it. If you must play inside, just replace the Frisbee with a paper plate and you're ready to go. Have a friendly competition by seeing which team member can throw the disc the furthest. We're almost done, but I've got one more game for you to round out your office Olympics. And it's a game that most modern offices are well equipped for. Yep, I'm talking about a ping pong tournament. With open concept plans becoming more and more popular, many companies are creating breakout rooms where team members can decompress by grabbing a coffee or by playing a round of table tennis. If you already have a ping pong table in the office, this is an ideal game to add to your office Olympics. Opt for a classic singles or a doubles game, or if you're feeling creative, explore some of the many other activities that you can play as teams or in a group, such as using 2 balls at once, or having everyone play at the same time with players stepping out when they miss the ball. Ping pong is guaranteed to get everyone laughing, and it's a great way to practice teamwork, communication, and quick thinking. And that's that. 5 ideas for your next office Olympic Games. Sound off in the comments below if you played any of these in your office. We'd love to know your favorite. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.